Class, our today's new topic is addition of unlike fraction. So, you all know what is unlike fraction? 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 9. These all are unlike fraction because their denominators are different. But in this time we are talking about addition of unlike fractions, so I can take the example 9 upon 10 plus 3 upon 5. Again you can see here 10 and 5 denominators are different, so it means it's unlike fraction. And if it is unlike fraction, then how can we add this? So remember, it's very important. First you convert unlike fraction into like fraction. It's most important. Convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So how you convert that? For that, your denominators are very important. So your denominators are 10 and 5. So you have a two method to convert this into like fraction. First method is, if you have two fraction, then it's very simple. You multiply first fraction by the denominator of other fraction. I told you this in my previous video, how to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So 9 5 ja 45, 10 5 ja 50, and you can multiply your fraction from the other denominator, that is 10. So 10 3 ja 30 and 5 10 ja 50. So here you can see the denominators are now same. So it means this 45 upon 50 and 30 upon 50 is now like fraction. So you can add now 45 upon 50 plus 30 upon 50. So your denominator is common now, 50. 45 plus 30, and that is equal to 75 upon 50. And you can simplify this by solving this. We can get 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. So answer is 3 upon 2. Now class, your second question is 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 6. In this time class, I am taking second method, the different method from the previous method. So it's your method 2. That is how we solve this by this method. The second method is LCM method. By taking the LCM of denominators, LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to, how to solve this? For that, you all know this is the method how you solve the LCM. Write the numbers like this and divide these numbers till your final answer will be 1 and 1. So start from the least number. So it is divided by, this 6 is divided by 3. So we can write 3 as it is. And now 3 and 3 is here, so I can divide these two 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So in this time I am not explaining you how to find LCM. By your own way you can find how to find LCM. So this is very simple method, and you can find your LCMs are now 2 into 3, 6. So multiply these two numbers and you can find your LCM, that is 6. So whatever is your LCM, that is your final denominator, or we can say common denominator. Understand? So this 6 is your final denominator, or you can say common denominator. So you all know your LCM of 3 and 6 is 6, and also you can I already told you this is your final denominator. So convert these two in that kind of fraction whose denominator is 6. I told you your LCM is your common denominator. It means this denominator now convert into this denominator, and you should convert this denominator to this denominator. By multiplying which number you can convert this 3 into 6? By multiplying 2. So if I multiply 2 in this denominator, so obviously I multiply the numerator also. Here class 1 and 1. 6 1 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. So now your question is now become 2 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. 6 is your common denominator. 2 plus 2, that is 4 upon 6. Convert this into simplest form, 2 upon 3. So your answer is 2 upon 3. Class, your next topic is subtraction of unlike fraction. So 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 8 is there, and you all know the denominator is different. It means it's unlike fraction. So like we did addition of unlike fraction, the same procedure is also apply on the subtraction of unlike fraction like we did in the addition of unlike fraction. So 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 8 is here, and the same procedure we apply on the subtraction also. So the first method is multiplying by the other denominator. So this fraction is multiplied by the 4 and this fraction is multiplied by 8. So 3 into 8 upon 4 into 8, and here 1 into 4 upon 8 into 4. Answer is 24 upon 32 and 4 upon 32. And you can see now 32 and 32 is here. It means it's a like fraction. So we can subtract now. Now 3 upon 4 is now changed into 24 upon 32, and 1 upon 8 change into 4 upon 32. So what is the meaning of that? 20 upon 32, and 2 10 ja 10, 2 16 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 8 ja. Answer is 5 upon 8. And now class, I am solving the same question by the LCM method. Now class, the same question I am solving this by the LCM method. So in LCM method, you all know we are taking the LCM of 4 and 8. So I just write 4 and 8 in this form, and I just divide these numbers by starting least number. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. There is a 2, so I can divide this by 2 also. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 is here. 1 we can write in the same form, and 2 1 ja 2. So what is your LCM? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So it means 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 8, they have a common denominator. This is your common denominator. So now 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 8 has a common denominator, that is 8. So convert this 4 in 8. For that we multiply this by 2. So we multiply 3 also by 2, that is 6 upon 8, and 1 upon 8 by multiplying 1, this 8 will become 8. So the meaning is 1 into 1, 1 upon 8. So answer is 6 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8. 6 minus 1 upon 8. Answer is 5 upon 8. So you can see class, in your first method and in your second method, in both the method you will get the same answer, that is 5 upon 8. Class, our new topic is addition or subtraction of mixed fraction. So class, you all know what is the meaning of mixed fraction. If I am talking about, and this is 2 complete 1 upon 4, this is 1 complete 1 upon 2. So this is mixed fraction, this is also a mixed fraction where you have a proper number and one fraction is there. So class, how to add, or how to, suppose this is plus 1 by 1 by 2. How to add these mixed fraction, how to subtract these mixed fraction. For that, you have to convert it first in the form of improper fraction. That is 4 2 ja 8 plus 1. 9 upon 4. Either it's plus or minus, it doesn't matter. Minus 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 upon 2. In this time you can say it's 9 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2. For this it's 9 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2. So if I am taking the example of 9 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2, you can see class, their denominators are not same. So it means it's unlike fraction. So convert that in the like fraction. The same procedure you already know. You applied that method and you will get the answer.